YouTube. Okay, so the last video we talked about burning pampas grass, and I had to go out and get an extra canister of propane because I knew I was going to run out. And so I picked up something. Actually, the husband thought it might be a good idea. So I'm going to show you how I lit this one, which is the one I was using the other day when I did that last video. So you just go ahead and open up the gas, and there you go. Of course, you can control the flame depending on what you want, and that's how you do it with this. So we thought it might be a little bit easier because after a while, burning a lot of pampas grass, it gets a little hard, you know, on the hand just to hold that. I mean, it is, you know, a little bigger. So we can put this up now too. And they are not sponsoring this video, by the way, okay? So we picked this up, and it is super nice. So all we have to do is put this on. Ladies, you can do this without your husband. I did, however, make sure what I was doing because I'm so used to the other one. So I made sure I knew what I was doing before I wanted to show you guys. So all we had to do is screw it on. Super, super easy. Go ahead and turn on the gas back here. Turn it on. Click it. You can, by turning this, you can either have the flame a little higher, a little lower. If it accidentally goes out, click it again. Self-lighting, you can hold it with this, of course, or you can hold it like that. But that's all there is to it. So, you know, don't be afraid of using a torch out in your patio. Pampas grass. There are probably other uses out there. I use it for my tall grasses, my pampas grass. I have these big, feathery looking, big blobs of ornamental grasses. I cut them back at the end of the year. I go ahead and I burn them off in the spring. So that's it. Easy peasy. And we'll get off here and I'll go ahead and post this. If you have any questions or ideas, let us know. Subscribe to my channel. And if you have ideas that you'd like to see for videos, please let me know. And don't forget to like this video. Have a great night.